Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how this live scanner will work. I'll just minimize this window and I'll show you. This is the order book which is getting automated traded, and I'll just close this window also. Yeah, so here you can see this, all these trades has been taken automatically, and this is the main RTP levels where we'll get the signals, and you can see this nifty call options we got a buy signals, and nifty put options we got a sell signal, and these are the stocks which we got buy and sell signals. Axis Bank, you can see live market it is in buy, and same way you can see M&M, now it is 1 rupees 49 paisa up. Same way you can see other stocks like SBI Life, it is sell call is active, and same way Tata Communication also buy call is active and 2 rupees went up, and Titan, you can see here, you can see selling active. Ultratech sell was active, and the 16 points it is down from the sell levels. So this is how scanner will give the signals, and this is the order book where automatic trade is being executed in trading terminal. I will show you how it is been working. This is the market watch where exactly orders will pass to the broker account, and you can see here so many orders executed and waiting for the SLN targets. See this here number, you can see this is the call option, and this is the stocks which is waiting for the above and below levels, and you can see so many stocks are like Dr. Reddy, Axis Bank, all these stocks are. And I'll show you the order book. Here the order book, you can see live trading orders is being executing. You can see this orders is being passing to the broker terminal also, and you can see this Bajaj Auto we got sell call, and Bajaj Auto you can see here we had 3756 and 3769 was bought, that means stop loss was triggered in Bajaj Auto. Same way Dr. Reddy also you can see here 4412 sell buy, and 4401, that means Dr. Reddy was stop loss was triggered, and we'll wait for some other stocks trade. You can see here it is giving the live signals, and the scanner will give you signals. You can watch this signal and you can do trade manually, and this is the option chart, and you can see this still the order is getting passed. See here you can see this automatic trades is been passing to the broker account, and here you can see nifty options call option 17650 call option we got a buy signal, it is bought at 114, and you can see here so many nifty options orders also passed. I'll show one by one. I'll show you. See, this is the nifty call option we bought a buying call signal at 114, and you can see here these are all the stocks which is waiting for the stop loss and targets. You can see here silver, this is the metals. You can see here orders is been closed, one closed, Titan was closed. You can see Titan is closed here, 2385 bought, 2376 sold, that is Titan also stop loss got triggered. So total 3 stocks got stop loss triggered as of now, and we are waiting for the bank nifty options. We'll wait for some more time, and we'll see what will happen. Yeah, now again you can see here live trades orders is being passing through this sheet. We have inbuilt this program, and you can see this Reliance 2394 was bought and sold at 2401, target was booked in Reliance, and Axis Bank 855 was bought and Axis Bank is sold at, yeah, this is the Reliance, and Axis Bank, this call option, see here nifty call option 17750 bought at 68 rupees and sold at 88 rupees. Same way 17750 68 rupees bought, 114 is bought and 141 is sold. You can see this order is getting passed, 180 is bought and 235 is sold. You can see this orders, and you can see the timing also, the trade timing. I'll show you here the trade timings. See here orders is getting passed in this terminal. You can see how fastly orders is been executing, and you can see the time. Now it is just 9 o'clock 38 minutes, and Coal India also you can see Coal India bought and sell price 222.85 bought, 223.90 sold. Reliance 2394 bought. I'll show you in the trading view. One moment. So let's show you in this chart bank nifty. Here I'll show you. I'll open the chart now. You can see the chart here. This is the bank nifty call we generated. It was somewhere bought at what price? You can see here bank nifty 180.70 paisa was the buying level. I will just mark this level. So 180 180.70 paisa. Yeah, I'll mark here. Yeah, 180.70 paisa. And you can see this, it is sold at 235. First target was 235, and you can see market price 262 and 235 was our booked price. See how fastly within 10 minutes our buy and sell both the entry executed. Same way Paytm, you can see 818 bought 618 bought 622.40 paisa sold. Paytm also target was done. Okay, so I'll show you in position. Because of I don't have margin, this order is getting cancelled. I'll show you this 17800 put option chart here in order book. If you see here 17800, 1 second, it is loading slowly. Yeah, here you can see it is loading slowly. Eicher Motor also order passed 17800, where it is. Yeah, bank nifty, Paytm 1700, yeah, this was sold. Okay, now it is make a short sell now. 17800 put option. This is put option. Just add this one. 17800 put option, 16th expiry. I added in chart and I opening the graph. You can see here 185. We had a sell signal here, so it is been executed. I'll mark this one 185. Yeah, you can see this. Generally people will not write options, but I'm just showing you in live market how it is possible. And if you want, you can just stop this recording. I mean this short sell, you can stop this option and you can just keep trying to buy on the option side, because option rating will take a lot of margin, so we can avoid this. But you can understand that market how it is going to react. So definitely if put option is getting sell signal, that means call options we are getting a buy signal. This is how it will work. Okay, so you can see this Asian Paint order also getting cancelled. So like this everything orders will be placing. You can see here so many orders executing automatically. These orders are passing in Allies Book terminal. Because this is a demo account, we don't have margins here. If the margins are there, definitely these orders will execute. And you can see this, out of 3 option calls, all was target hit. You can see this order book continuously. It is no Asian Paint, because of this swing trade bottom levels, it is giving the buying signal. Okay, and you can see this within 15-20 minutes. You can see this bottom and high 75 points, 80 points nifty recovered. And you can see this, because of that 68 was bought here and 88 was sold. So 20 points. I'll just calculate this difference. So I'll just mark this 68.50 bought and 88.75 sold. So 20 points we got. That means per lot 1012 rupees profit. And what was the investment? We'll calculate once again. Just a moment. I'm opening this notepad. Yeah, I'll just see this, check this performance. Buy at 68.55, sold at 80 rupees, 88.70 paisa. Okay, 75. Yeah, you can see this difference. Same way 17,650 call, we had a buy at 114. You can see here 114, and it was sold at 17,650. 1 second, downside. Yeah, 17,650, 141.95 paisa sold. You can see the difference, how much it is. Okay, same way bank nifty. Just show you bank nifty also. 41,600 call option buy was activated at 180 rupees and it was sold at I'll show you here 235 rupees. Okay, you can see this difference. This is how it will work, and you can see the time also. Within a short time we executed all these orders. So this is how it will work. You can see this time 9:48 within market openings 45-50 minutes. Within 40 minutes we executed 3 orders, and market also how fastly it recovered, and we had all bottom levels buying signal at call options. So this is how it will work, and this is the order book in terminal. Total 27 trades is been executed so far, and you can see this Grasim again order passed, sell was activated, Grasim. Like this automatic you orders will be getting triggered in your broker terminal. Only thing is you have to keep running this software. You have to set all the parameters, and you have to just run this software. So by default software will work, and you can see this how trades is been executed. This is the order book where orders pass, and you can see the prices. You can see the same stocks, same trade is being executed in broker terminal, and also in order log in Excel sheet you can see this order how it is been passing. So this is the thing I want to show you, and if you have any doubts like how to take this software, how to run this software, you can contact me. In my description I have given my contact number. You can just try this strategy, try this formula, and practice this. And we have a scanner. Without like if you don't want to do algo trade, you can just off and you can just see the screener. With the help of screener you can keep watching, or with this window you can set this all the formulas and you can see the performance here. Out of 3 options, all 3 option calls target was done, and within market opening 1 hour 3 trades was done. And you can see this waiting for AB in this column. There are that means it is waiting for the above and below levels to execute the order. Once the stocks come to that levels, it will buy or sell the stock. And you can see this closed means that position is being closed. Buy and sell both the side it has been performed. And waiting for SL and target means it is waiting for order is executed, now it is waiting for the target or stop loss, like that. Thank you. I am closing this.